Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter F. Write uppercase F or big F, start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line across. Then go to the middle and make another line across. Let's try it again. Down, across, across. That's the letter F. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase f or small f. Start at the top, go around and down to the bottom. Next, go to the middle and make a line across. Let's try it again. Around and down to the bottom. Across. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter F. Next, let's see what words start with the letter F. F for fish. F for frog. F for fox. Say it again with me. Fish, frog, fox. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter G, subscribe to EllieFun.